Do you want to be able to fix the Discord update failed error message? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this. Actually, me myself, I have this error quite a lot, to be honest, and I think that I have figured out the best way to actually fix this. So I've seen a lot of other tutorials, and they like go into this really like technical stuff and stuff like that, and maybe it works for sure. But for me, what actually does work, the most quickest way for me personally, is to actually just go into your activity monitor on your computer. So I have a Mac, but you should, if you have a Windows computer, you should be able to have something similar to Activity Monitor, and then just find Discord in here, as you can see, and then just click on the symbol here to close it, and then just click on force quit. Because what will happen then is that your Discord is going to be forced to quit completely, and when you start it up once again, it's going to it's going to give it a push once again on the update. So it's going to give it like a little bit extra push, and quite often this actually does fix it for me. If it's still for some reason it's not working for you, what you can do then is to just try to restart your computer, because it might be a computer issue that you have. So try to restart your computer completely, and then when you have restarted it, go back into your Discord app and see if it now works for you. So I hope that this tutorial will be able to fix it.